So recently picked up this 535 F10 2013, and right now I have these carbon fiber side markers installed, the covers for them. I don't know if I like the look, so I'm going to be going back to the OEM stock chrome ones. I'll just be showing you guys how to install these today. Before we dive into this, make sure you use some kind of a plastic piece to pry on the clips, because I don't want you guys to scratch the paint. So anything plastic would work. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to pry on front right here a little bit, pry that off, and then I would say about midway through this light bar, insert your plastic tool. And there's clips that I'll show you right here. Pry on the top first, which is this clip right here. So pry on the top first. When you pry on it and it clips out, you want to hold it, and then you want to go to the bottom clip right underneath it and pry on this one as well. So these are the two clips that you want to pry on, right here and right here. So as you insert it, you want to hold it with one finger right here and insert it again right underneath, so same spot right underneath. Just kind of pry on it. That should just pop off. So what I've found best is to pull it towards you until this stuff comes out, the connector comes out, and then pull it away from you or towards the front, because there's these clips right here that sit in here. And you can just unplug the connector there. And then to remove the actual cover, it's pretty easy. There's these right here, these clips that run around. You want to pry that off. There's also the one in the front. And then push it downwards, because there's this right here. That should come off. And then to install it, it's literally the opposite. So both of these clips are gonna go in right here on the bottom. So you wanna insert those first, like that. And all I gotta do is, right when they're inserted in right here, just want to push it in, push everything in until you hear all that click, and that should be it. Connector back in until that clicks, and then you want to install this side first, the one towards the rear of the car, where the clip is right here. So insert the clip in first while kind of prying on the wiring right here. So when that's inserted, you can make sure that the wiring is all the way in and the connector's in, and all you gotta do is push it in. That's it. If you want to see more videos on this car, subscribe. Thanks for watching.